Since the Earth's formation, the Earth is rotating from west to east. Till now, the Earth haven't changed its direction. What if the Earth changed its direction and start rotating in the direction east to west? So in this video, I am going to tell you what happens if Earth changes its direction of rotation. I am Suhases from Technical Channel Pro, where you can find fresh science and technology videos every week. So let's start the video. Actually, Earth rotates in an axis of 23.5 degree tilted, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. The Earth rotates at a speed of 460 meters per second in equator, but physically we could not recognize it. Do you know, friends, the Earth's rotational speed is slowing down as the time runs? According to atomic clocks, the present day rotation is 1.7 milliseconds slower than the century ago. But no need to worry, as it takes trillions of years for Earth to stop rotating completely. As the Earth is rotating at a speed of 1600 km per hour near the equator, if it suddenly started spinning in the opposite direction, then everything not fixed to the ground would be launched at 3200 km per hour eastwards. This is due to inertia. While the objects on the Earth will tend to move towards the east when the Earth suddenly starts rotating to west. I think you have experienced the inertia while you are in a moving car and it suddenly stops. You will tend to move forward. Due to this sudden action of Earth, giant tsunamis will be raised towards east. The tsunamis are caused by a lack of gravity at the equator, this forcing them to move towards the pole. While they move towards the pole, they will destroy everything in their path. Now let's assume that the Earth rotates in the west direction since its birth. Then the sun rises from west and sets in east. This figure shows you the flow of air around the globe due to Earth's rotation in the eastwards direction. If the Earth spins in the opposite direction, all these air currents are shown in the figure would flow opposite to current path. Ocean currents and weather patterns are driven by Coriolis effect, which will reverse the Earth's spin, causing drastic changes in the weather patterns. So, this would cause major climatic changes. For example, Sahara Desert would be a wet place. California Desert also turn humid. On the other hand, Florida swampland would dry out, and the present agricultural lands might be unfit for crops. Heavy rainfall receiving areas would become dry areas, whereas deserts could receive a good rainfall. The physics of launching spaceships and satellites into space would vary. These are the changes made by reversal of Earth's spin. Thus, change of spin direction can also cause major problems in our lifestyles and economy. This is what happens if Earth changes its direction of rotation. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and please do subscribe.